This photograph was taken in Salvador, Bahia, which is in the northeast of Brazil. I was on the beach observing this fisherman bring in his anchor and his fishing lines. He's very close to the coast, which allows you to see his structure. And one unusual posture characteristic that you see in him, it's very healthy, is that you see lines or creases overlying his sacroiliac joint. In most people in our modern culture, we would observe dimples there. His dimples are actually creases, and it's because he has particularly well-developed gluteus medius muscles. And you have a hint of why that is so in this picture, and it's because his behind is out behind him and remains out behind him even as he walks. He's taking a step here with his left leg, and you see that his behind remains in place. Buttock muscles getting used, and that keeps them toned. And then it also sets the stage for the remainder of the spine to be well stacked. And you see evidence of that in the even groove that runs over the midline of his spine. You also see that his shoulders are very posteriorly placed as he's carrying this heavy anchor, and that allows him to have less torque on his spine and face the big challenges of being a fisherman with a minimum of wear and tear.